Hello, hello, it's Leanne from Cherry Lane. I just wanted to give you a quickie little overview, live of our Dancin Santa Card Kit. So this kit makes 3 cards, and so you get everything in there to make the 3 cards. So you get the card bases. You have a little package like this in your kit. So card bases, all of your pattern paper, all your pattern papers are pre-cut for you. So you don't even need a trimmer to put this kit together. You're just going to need your adhesive and foam, also including foam adhesive, and all of your die cut bits that you see here. So everything that you need to make these is included other than your adhesive. So I just wanted to show you up close how cute they are. So this is the Dancin Santa Card Kit. So they swing better when they're not flat, but they're really cute. You can't see that. Can you? I don't know. Okay, they're really cute. There we go. This one's my favorite. And there's also an elf. So his legs swing. You can make them stationary if you want. They don't have to swing, but they're really cute when they do. And there's a deer also. Yeah, he does swing. There we go. So when they're standing up straight, they swing better. So yeah, here's the Santa, close-up of the Santa. So this kit makes 3 cards. All the pieces are in there. They're pre-cut for you. You get a variety of sentiments included in your kit. So like there's Merry Christmas that we didn't use. There's Believe in the Magic. There's also Season's Greetings. So you get to choose what you want to use. And you get, did I say this already? That you get some bonus characters? I think I did. You get a bonus character in there too. And the extra sentiments. So that's the card kit. So these will be available in store and also in our online store. And when they are gone, they are gone. But if you're wanting to make more of these cards, these are designed from a die cut package that Spellbinders put together. So we designed the cards, but I mean Spellbinders did the die cut thing. So the die cut pieces come in a package like this. So you get 40 plus pieces. So you get all of these characters, but not just one of each. You get, I'll show you what you get. It's a lot. So 40 plus pieces. You get all of this in there. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit so you can see that. So all of that. So you get 3 Dancin Gnomes. You get 3 Dancin Santas and their legs. 3 Dancin Deers and their legs, of course. So 3 of each character, and then you get 1 of each character that's stationary. So these ones don't have swinging legs. So really you get 4 of each characters, and there's 3 of them. So you can make 12 cards if you wanted to use 1 character per card. And we do have some photos of where they've used more than 1 character per card, but you can get 12 cards out of this, and all of the sentiments. So you get 3 Season's Greetings, 3 Merry Christmas, 3 Ho 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 Merry Christmas, 3 Believe in the Magic, 3 Merry Christmas, 3 Christmas is Here, and a bunch of assorted little stars. So lots of things to decorate. And there's die cut cardstock. They're not like super flimsy. So yeah, lots of bits in here. And so we have these, and so they come like that, but you can't really tell what's in there. So that's what's in there. Enough stuff for 12 cards. So these are $9.99 each. So when they're gone, they're gone. So get them while you can, and you can make 12 more cards. They're lots of fun. These would be good to put together with your grandkids too, if you wanted to, or with your kids. Anyway, super fun. Just wanted to quickly show you what's in there. So thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.